What is going on, guys? This is our data compression slash mini encoder slash data compression slash mini encoder Python program, Python app. This is a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced alike. It's a data compression. Makes your files smaller. Our version takes the file and shrinks the file down to small size. It takes into account, here it is. It takes into account physics. Just to get it. Takes into account physics. If it's made of a trillion particles, it makes a mini version of that. A million particles instead. Downscale. Passes the file. And then blows it up again. Upscale. It's a small file. It's a mini version of the file. Literally a small picture. Literally a small picture. Shrinks the file size to a small, very small picture. Passes it like that and then blows it up once it's passed. Upscale. Compression module. It's not a module, it's a program. Compression program. Matter compression. It's also a matter compression program. Computer data compression program. File compression. Python project you can do. It actually works. I'll show you in a minute. I think it went from 1,500 characters down to 55 characters. That's it, guys. Pause the video, copy the code, study it, improve upon it, upgrade it, modify it, develop it. As you can see here, it's 1,600 characters down to 55 characters. 96%. Down by 96%. Let's try that again. And then here it just blows it up again. Reconstructed particle array size 25, back to 25 coordinates. Works. Same thing. It's real. It actually works. That it's actually 55 characters. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.